Hello, my name is Scott Thompson, and I am an instructor here at Broadway Family Karate. Today's video tutorial will be on the slide-up side kick. Okay, we're going to go ahead and begin the tutorial just looking at the lead leg side kick. The beginning of the kick is exactly the same. The slide-up we're kind of just adding at the end. So let's go ahead and do a quick review over the lead leg side kick to make sure we have everything correct before we add the slide up. So we're going to start by getting into a good L stance, turning one leg off to the side, stepping out with the other, feet forming an L, both knees bent, weight on my back leg. Okay. From the side, okay, both legs bent, most of my weight on my back leg. Okay, good L shape, really important. Make sure, good stance to begin with. Okay, go ahead and with the chamber for the lead leg side kick, bringing my front knee towards my back shoulder, pivoting my back foot towards the back of the room. Okay, kicking straight out, straight leg kick, pulling my toes back, striking with the heel of my foot. Think of it like stomp on the ground, except putting that stomp in the air, okay? Pulling the toes back. So from the side, good L stance, weight on my back leg, okay? Pull that chamber, knee back towards my back shoulder, pivoting that back foot, pull the toes back, kicking straight away. So that's the basic lead leg side kick. So for the slide up side kick, what we're going to do is we're going to get back into that L stance, okay? Taking the back leg, sliding it up to the front leg. Okay? As you slide the back leg up to the front leg, go ahead and start the pivot of that back foot. Okay? This is going to help get your weight shifted back to your back foot. As you come up and slide up, go ahead and chamber your front knee back to your back shoulder, and then go ahead and kick out like you would in a regular lead leg side kick. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, we're going to look at it from the side. A few might be a little bit better from the side. We're going to do a few from the front. Okay, good L stance, weight on my back leg. I'm going to go ahead and slide it up. As you can see, my foot is already starting to pivot. Okay, pull, chamber, and kick. Let's look at this from the side. You can really see the motion of the leg. So I've got the L stance. Say my back foot is going to slide up. Okay, slide up to my front foot. See, it's already starting to pivot from off to the side to the back. Pull that front knee back and kick out. Just like that. Okay, real quick. Why would we want to do a slide up with a side kick? Okay, slide up, side kick. There's a few things that the regular side kick doesn't. As you'll notice, as we move my back foot, my base foot up to my front foot, I'm actually closing a lot of distance. Now, it might be kind of hard to see in the air, but once I get a target out here, you can really see the difference between the distance of a lead leg and a slide up side kick. The second thing it does, it actually adds a lot of power to your side kick, that forward momentum, bringing you forward. It actually does add a lot of power, whether you're using it as a stopping kick and someone moving towards you, or as a board break, or free sparring, just trying to close that distance. You've got somebody that's kind of hanging out there a little bit too far for a regular kick. Okay, just slide up a little bit, closes that distance. Close enough that you can strike them. So you have to be real careful, especially free sparring, that you close that distance without adding too much power to the side kick. So let's go ahead and look at a few of these in the air from the side view, and then we're going to get out here with a target. So good L stance, okay. On the L, weight on my back foot, okay. Slide the back foot up and kick. Slide. One more time. Okay, let's go ahead, take a look at this on a target. Mr. First is going to shift out here with a kicking shield. Real quick, let's go ahead, take a look at the distance that this closes. What I'm going to do, say fingertip, that's usually a pretty good indicator of good distance for a lead leg side kick. So I can touch with my fingertips. I'm going to go ahead, slide about 6 inches back. Okay, so from here with just a regular lead leg side kick, not quite to the target. Okay, but if I'm taking my base foot, my back foot, sliding it up to my front foot, probably actually too close there, it closes that distance. Okay, too far, perfect distance. So it does close the distance up, and it does add the power. We're going to go ahead and start. We're really just doing some touch and push, really just looking at the technique, keeping the kick about belt high, keeping our power down. Okay, we've got it. We can check our distance for our lead leg. About 6 inches. Okay, good stance. Weight on your back leg. Slide up. Get that chamber. Remember, you want to strike with the heel of your foot. Find a target on the shield. Put your kick there each time. Okay. Kick. And just touch and push. Just really work on the slide. Controlling everything. Make sure you're putting the kick on target. Now, really we want to kind of slide our back foot up to our front. You can actually slide your entire body forward and actually kind of even close the distance a little bit more, but you want to keep that under control, okay? Once we've done a few of those, we've got the target now, we can add a little bit more power. Make sure your partner knows you're going to be adding power, because with the lead leg, the slide up side kick can add a lot of power. Okay, I'm out of distance. Good slide and a kick. It's a really powerful kick. One more time. Slide up and kick. Thanks, sir. Okay. Practice your L stance. Get your lead leg side kick in good shape. Technique looks good with that. Then go ahead, add in the slide. Work it in the air with the slide. Get that technique down. Work it on a shield. Okay. See the difference in the power. See the difference in the distancing. Okay. Very handy kick. Like I said, you can use it free sparring, closing the distance, self-defense, board breaking. It adds power to the kick also. Okay. Thank you very much. That is our video tutorial for the slide up side kick. Thank you.